Quick how-to on how to change the front turn signal bulb on a 2004 Mercury Grand Marquis. Should be pretty similar for a Crown Victoria. But we're looking at we already have the front cover off. And then if you look down in front of the headlamp assembly, you'll see that there is one bolt right there on the top. It's 7/16 inch. As you can see, I already have set up. And then once you actually take that off, which it's very common for them to fall because it's kind of hard to get a hold of it, but you don't have to worry if they do fall, because if they do, they'll end up landing right at the bottom. But if you see, I got mine off, so I'm going to set that down. Used to be that there was a screw on the Grand Marquis and the Crown Victorias right about here, but they don't do that on this model. So on this model, actually, after you get the screw out, or the bolt out, nut out, or the front, you can literally just pull the lamp assembly out. And then you have your courtesy turn light here, that bulb, and then you actually have your turn signal flasher, which older models, they used two different ones. There was one in the front, and then there was also an additional one on the side. This model is a little simpler and only has the one on the side. So if we look at the back, you would turn this counterclockwise to get it out. And it takes, this one actually has the wrong color bulb in it. Should be amber. That's one reason why I'm changing these. I recently bought this car and somebody had put the wrong color in there. It is the 3157 as it shows in there, but should be amber. This over here is actually the type I bought, which would work. And this here pops right out. You just pull it straight out. It's kind of hard to do holding a camera, but it'll pop straight out. And then I would suggest you put a little bit of bulb grease in there to prevent corrosion and also make it easier to change in the future. And then you can put your new bulb in and it would go back together just the same. It is kind of a little bit tricky to get it back in sometimes, but this side will go in first and then it will come in, and then you'd be able to put your nut back on. That's about it.